Kat, did you use another paper towel? Yes. Yes, I did.
So one of the joys of recording videos is the human factor. Bloopers are an easy thing to do. There have been shows all about bloopers, and well, I'm no different. I can screw up with the best of them, and I can be as goofy with the best of them. So there's going to be occasionally just a blooper video, just a blooper little reel, and maybe if people actually like it, I'll just start putting it at the end of my videos, which seems to be common, but since I'm still starting out, since I'm still doing stuff, this is where we go. And, you know, words are hard. Sometimes we screw up the words. And as somebody with MS, I screw them up even more. So you get kind of double stuff. So while I am back here tending my garden that I inherited from a neighbor that moved, let's go ahead and see what goofiness I have had. Look, maters. Lots of maters. I don't really like maters. What I really don't like are those, where are they? Jalapeno peppers. Thankfully, the husband likes salsa. And that's eggplant. So you get to see me make eggplant. Ought to be fun. Enjoy these fun little bloopers, and let me know if you want to see more. Have a good day.
Kat, did you really use another paper towel? Yes. Yes, I did. Do not eat. Oh, I hate that drawer. Kitten, I will kick your ass. My kitten likes to eat cords, and both cats are in here with me at the moment. So, kitten, I will kick your butt. Hello, folks. Welcome to the kitchen. That's funny. All right. $100 word processor. I'm going to stick with the but $100 food processor. Come on, MS brain, you can do it. Mess. They're sizzly. Snap, crackle, pop. Sesame Krispies. They're just darker seeds. Looks like they're here too, and I don't know. They're seed shaped. So, not little mouse turds, just darker seeds. Kat, did you just say mouse turds? Yes. Yes, I did. And yes, I'm trying not to let you see my butt. That was loud. Hey, welcome back to the kitchen. We're going to try that again. It's like bloopers. It's like constant bloopers. Hey there, and welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna make some chicken today. Not quite the way I wanted to start that either. Kat, did you just use a paper towel for that? Yes, yes I did. Dry rub, rub. Well, flip. Ow. That means giving it a little bit of a slice. Well, hello. That was dumb. We do a lot of this, don't we? Do a lot of this dumb. All right, let's try again. Kitten, I will kick your butt. Okay. We've got our egg. Bloop. That's pretty impressive for me. You can cook it in a loaf pan. There's some guy out there going, oh, she's playing with her meat. We have garbage. Instead of making you sit here and wait for all of that, we'll go ahead and we'll come back. You better not eat my cable. I'll kick your butt. All this does is tangle. Tangle. Yes, you're getting all the little fun stuff. Probably use this for bloopers eventually. I badly get my hair done. Look at this. Look at this. I've lost all my blue. Kid, are you using a paper towel? Yes, I'm using a paper towel. About half of this is going to be gone. I have no idea why I'm doing that. The Brussels sprouts are misbehaving. Sweet Brussels sprouts are kind of a hard one. Foggy. The other neat thing.
So, if you liked that video, be sure to subscribe so you can see more. You can also see more of the not mess up videos and see how you like that. Love to have you here. Love to have you subscribing, and love you to. We're leaving that in on a blooper reel. Let's have a blooper. Love to have you here, and love to have you keep watching. And me and Percy and the kitties will see you on the next one.
Say bye, Percy.